So I'm here at the Perkins Hill pump track, doing a quick spot check and bike check. This is my Gravity Cojones. It is a $500 dirt jump bike that I put a couple extra parts on, put some spank pedals on it, Odyssey seat, spank stem, and put a little RockShox fork on it because the stock fork was a coil fork and just really crappy. So in the end it turned out to be, you know, almost as much as the regular complete dirt jump bike, but it's customized to how I want it. Let's take it for a rip. Got my toy machine from a few years ago on Indies and Spitfires.